Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're looking to delete your Blinkist account, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to remove your account from the Blinkist app on your mobile device. First, open the Blinkist app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right. Then scroll down to the bottom of the settings menu. After that, tap on Delete Account. Now, you'll be prompted to type Delete to confirm your decision. Finally, tap on Delete Account to complete the process. Deleting your Blinkist account is a straightforward process. Remember to cancel any active subscriptions beforehand to avoid unexpected charges. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.